Hello friends, I am Narendra Dravid, President of the SICO Institute of Special Education Pune. I started this institute in 1999 in order to help the students to get the communication skills, improve their confidence and personality, and also subsequently I started many other courses which can help them in securing admissions for the higher studies in foreign countries and also learn foreign languages. Besides, prepare them for the aptitude test, group discussion and personal interview techniques. From 2000, I started the communication skills, the English language, spoken English classes, the first level, that is the basic level, then the intermediate level, and then the advanced level, as well as the business English. So 4 levels in English, and then we started with personality development, how to get the leadership in you, how to get the confidence in you, and then subsequently we started the overseas education preparation, that is the IELTS, English International Language Testing System, the examination which is conducted by British Council and IDP Australia, and now we are the authorized center for IELTS by IDP Australia. We prepare the students to secure a very good score in the exam ranging from 7 to 8.5. Also, the exam called TOEFL, which is generally asked by the American universities, we prepare them for getting a score beyond 100. We subsequently started the foreign language courses, starting with German language and then Chinese language, and then we are also planning to start the Spanish language now.
Germany is called as Deutschland and the language German is called as Deutsch. Today we will learn the greetings in German. We say Namaskar in Marathi, Sastriyakal in Punjabi. Same way there are three different types of saying hello. One is Servus, Grüß dich, Grüß Gott. Then good morning is said as Guten Morgen. Good day is Guten Tag. Good evening is Guten Abend. Good night is Gute Nacht. And there are two different ways of saying goodbye. One is Tschüss, that is the informal way, and the second one is Auf Wiedersehen. This is used in a formal communication.
So today we are going to learn Chinese language, which we call as a Mandarin language. And Mandarin language in Chinese language is called Chungwan. Chung Kuo is a Chinese country. It is Chung means middle, and Chung Kuo is a middle country which is at the Asia's middle level, and it is also called as Han Yui. Han is a community or the dynasty which ruled China. So from Han community's language, Han Yui. So let's say now when we want to meet somebody, we say hello. How it is said? Ni hao. Say Ni hao. Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Now ni is a third tone, hao is third tone. So both are third tone, means you drop the voice and then raise it again. So ni hao.
Ni hao.
That means hello. So when you say hello, somebody else also will say ni hao. But if you want to ask him how are you, then you say ni hao ma.
Ni hao ma.
Actual meaning is you good. You good means are you good? So it is not actually how are you, but you are asking them are you okay? Are you quite good? So ni hao ma.
Ni hao ma.
Early morning good means chao sheng hao.
Chao sheng hao.
If it is evening, we say wan sheng hao.
Wan sheng hao.
And if it is afternoon, xia wu hao.
Xia wu hao.
Xia is down, wu is afternoon. So xia wu, that means afternoon.
My name is Sandeep Dravid. I work here as a student counselor and administrator. I have completed my diploma in electronics and telecommunications from Sinhagad Institute. Then I went to UK for 4 years to complete my bachelor's. I did my bachelor's in electronics. Then after returning to India, I did my master's in HR. I work as a student counselor at SICO Institute of Special Education, Whenever a student comes to me with his query, I solve all his problems and tell him what is the exact situation in abroad. Then I suggest him the university depending on his ranking, and I make sure that he gets an admission and then send him to that particular university. So that's what I do at SECO Institute of Special Education.
We also program the students in neuro-linguistic programming. I have completed Master in Neuro-Linguistic Programming from USA and UK, and I have used this technique successfully for the students to secure good score, to achieve good success in life. So this is what all the services we offer at SECO Institutes for the last 10 years now, and we have very experienced and excellent faculties who offer the services in different languages, and especially the preparation of GRE, GMAT, IELTS and TOEFL exam, as well as SAT exam for the undergraduate students.